Good morning. No one, I didn't know about this, so I don't have anything prepared for this speech, but this is my 11th year at LISA. Um, I'm glad that Dr. Fati and Mr. Turkman are here because they are the ones that hired me in 2015. It was my first job as a teacher, and probably they saw something in me. So I appreciate the two of you, and also Ms. Ward. Ms. Ward was very helpful through all of the discipline issues. You know me with a lot of DPS. Most of you remember who had me. I know that, I just wanted you to do better, and it shows. All of you, we're all getting A school, and hopefully we have a same year in the next upcoming years. So thank you to all of you who have worked hard, and I know that you know that all of the teachers here are here for you and to support you. And we're here because we care about you, and your parents bring you here because they care about you. So thank you, all of you, for your support too.